Most Android phones come with call blockers. The way I access mine is by opening the Contacts app, coming up to this gear icon, and then by tapping blocked numbers. So these are all the options that come with the pre-installed call blocking feature. And it's basic, it does the work well, but if you want full control and you want a lot of customizations, then the best thing to do is to use a third-party call blocking app. And the one I like is this one, Call Blocker by, I think, Fianzo Francisco. I'm not really sure about the name, but I'll put a link in the description so you guys can download it if you want. Alright, so there are a few reasons why I like this app, and I'll be showing you guys along the way as I talk about the app. So the first thing is its scheduler. On this app, you can decide when you want phone calls to be blocked. I mean, of course, you have to manually input the number you want to block by tapping the plus icon, and then you can add the number by tapping enter number, or you can use any of these options. And after doing that, you just turn this on to activate the whole call blocking feature. But I'm sure you guys already know how to use that, so let's head back to the scheduler. Alright, so you can have a scheduler, and if you don't want to receive phone calls from maybe 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. because that's your morning time, you don't want any kind of outside contacts, then you can just create a new schedule by tapping the plus icon, and then you enable this and come up here. It's already 6 a.m. here, so I'll just leave it as that. Okay, and then I'll set this to 9 a.m. Tap on the AM and then tap on OK. As you can see here, Sunday and Saturday are selected, but you can add any other day you want by tapping on the day. And then you have all these options here. You can block all calls except whitelist, and your whitelist is where you keep phone numbers of people you always want to hear from, even if you have blocked all calls from coming through. And then you have all these other options which are easy to understand, I believe. And yeah, having a scheduler is a good thing because you're not going to find it in most of the call blocking features that come with the Android phones. Alright, so the second reason why I think this app is one of the best, if not the best, is because it is not just an incoming call blocker, it is also an outgoing call blocker. What I mean is that you can use this app to stop yourself from calling people that you don't want to call, or maybe stop others from using your phone to call. To do that, you just need to activate block outgoing calls. Just tap on it, and then you're going to get this warning, but I've used it and it's alright. Alright, so you have all these options. By default, this will be selected, but you can tap this to block all calls, which means you will not be able to call anyone as long as this is selected. If you tap on this, you're only going to be able to call numbers that are in your whitelist. And then if you tap on this, all the numbers that are saved in the blacklist will not be able to be called using your device. So it's not just about receiving phone calls, it's also about making phone calls, and you'll be able to block phone calls that you make using this app. Alright, so the third thing I like about this app is the fact that you can create a PIN for the app. This way, if you have a bunch of numbers blocked, well, no one can just come into your phone and unblock them to make phone calls. So to enable the PIN, you just have to tap on settings and then tap PIN protection. So you can create your 4-digit code, and from now on, anytime you try to access the app, it will ask for your PIN. So let's try that and see. Alright, so the final thing I want to say about the app that makes it a good app is that you can back up everything and send it to your Google Drive, or you can even back it up locally to your phone. But I'll recommend always backing it up to Google Drive, because at some point you're going to have so many numbers that you've blocked, and if you eventually change your phone, you don't have to start manually inputting all the numbers again. You just have to restore the backup from your Google Drive, and it's like everything is back to normal. Alright, so to do that, you just need to tap on this and then tap settings. I don't know why I keep thinking the settings is at the bottom. Anyways, then you tap on create a backup. After tapping on this, it's going to ask you to take a few steps to connect the app to your Google Drive, and then whenever you back it up, it's going to get sent straight to the Google Drive. Alright, so those are the 4 things that I like about the app. There are lots of other things about the app that are fascinating, but those are just the ones I want to talk about. If you want like a full detailed tutorial, just let me know and I'll try to create one. But just so you know, this app is free and can be used offline, but if you use it with a Wi-Fi or data connection, you're going to get bombarded with ads. So if you don't want that, then you should try to use it offline, or you can try using an app like NetGuard to maybe stop the app from getting too many ads. But ads are good. They help developers, make updates and keep you with features like this. So I would suggest you leave the ads on. Anyway, that's just up to you. Alright, so thank you for watching the video, and yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Alright, bye bye.